Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the language in the Google Maps app on your phone. If you prefer to use Google Maps in a different language, this video will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. After opening the settings, look for the app language option and select it. You will see a list of available languages. Choose the language you want to use by tapping on it. Then, confirm your choice by clicking on OK. Once confirmed, the app will automatically switch to the selected language. You can now navigate Google Maps in your chosen language. This makes it easier to read directions, search for places, and use the app according to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.